Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make something very simple, budget friendly and absolutely delicious. So I called it chickpeas with shiitake mushrooms and baby kale. We're gonna need about 2 cups already cooked chickpeas, a quarter pound of shiitake mushrooms, baby kale, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of ginger, soy sauce, and toasted sesame seed oil. That's it. We're gonna start heating our skillet and adding a little bit of oil, just neutral oil, and then we can start slicing our shiitake mushrooms. You can also buy already sliced ones, but I thought they were pretty, so I got those today. So you can always take the stem off, but you can kind of still chop and use that and get rid of the end part. And that's it pretty much, all the prep. And then grating a ginger. So I'm just gonna slice all the mushrooms and add to our skillet. Now we're just gonna let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just shake your pan from time to time so that you see that mushrooms are nicely caramelizing from outside, and make sure that you check the temperature, so it should be like medium low. I'm gonna season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, getting there. Nice and golden brown. That's what we need. Just a little more, a couple of minutes, and we are ready for the next step. Right, they're looking perfect. Gonna add our chickpeas. Just let it cook for 2-3 minutes, And meanwhile, we're gonna do our sauce. We're gonna grate our ginger. You can just slice it if you want thinly, but I like grated because this way you don't really fill the chunks. Okay, just be careful with that and make sure that we clean all the ginger from this part. Okay, half lime juice, so we need to create all the flavors. I'm gonna add a little more soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons, and I have here toasted sesame seed oil, and we need a little heat, right? Let's add some chili flakes. You can actually add some other hot sauce that you guys have. I like to add a little bit of ajika to that. So let's see what they're doing. Oh, they look beautiful. The chickpeas are nicely toasted. And this is pretty much it. You know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, just to kind of balance that sour and sweet and spicy sauce. Just a little bit of honey. You can add maple syrup or agave to that. And you know what? Let's do kale first. How about that? Add our kale. You can use spinach. You can use just regular kale. This is baby kale, and I like that because it's nice and soft. And that's gonna fade down, so don't worry about that. And I'm gonna add the sauce. And put the lid on. Temperature is medium low, so we just need to wilt kale a little bit, and we can just, prep our cilantro. Just chop it roughly. And we are done. 10 minutes later, our simple, beautiful, healthy, and delicious chickpea with mushrooms and kale is ready. See how much the kale faded down? So all disappeared, so I could have added more. So this is enough for 2-3 people, like, right, for lunch. And if you need more protein, you can always add some chicken or fish or steak or anything you have, guys. So let me just taste it. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Chickpeas are nice and soft, a little crunchy from outside. I'm gonna taste the mushrooms and kale. The flavor is fantastic. Could be a little spicier side, but if you don't like it, you don't need to. If you like more spicy, you can always add that. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye-bye.